Well, Legrand is a small to medium-sized manufacturer. We make electronic products for power, light, and data in the commercial building or residential environment. The reason that focusing on energy efficiency as a manufacturer is important is first and foremost cost. We are challenged every day to provide more value for our customers and to have enough resources to reinvest in the organization and still give a good return. If I'm a manufacturer of clothing or I'm a manufacturer of plastic products, I may or may not have energy connected to what I do, but everything I do depends on energy. And if I don't manage that cost, just like I can manage my raw materials or my labor inputs, then I'm missing a huge opportunity to make me more competitive. The Better Buildings, Better Plant Challenge was to reduce our energy intensity by 25% over 10 years. And that seemed to us a very daunting task. What surprised us was by focusing on it, by engaging the employee base and looking for places that we were missing, and we had a lot of help from the Department of Energy in doing so, we were able to identify and save more than that in a little over 2 years. There was just that much low-hanging fruit because we weren't focused on it. As we were working with our key strategic suppliers, we explained to them what we were doing and how we were doing it, and we challenged them to join us. We were able to get 9 of our biggest and most strategic suppliers to work themselves on their own energy intensity and use some of the best practices and experiences that we had developed. One of the nice things about energy intensity and focusing on reducing it is it's one of those topics that everybody can support. It's not that hard. You don't have to be a technical person. It's not intimidating. It doesn't require huge dollars, and yet you can achieve big impact. I think to keep manufacturing in the United States, we have to optimize everything we do. We have a wonderful economy and a great lifestyle, but we are always challenged to justify that in the form of how competitive we can be.
GE is the premier heavy-duty gas turbine supplier worldwide. We are a U.S. company. We've been a U.S. company for a long time. To get the largest, most efficient gas turbines in the world, the technology is really, really important. But it's not just the science behind the technology, it's also about the delivery of that technology into one of these machines, and that's about manufacturing. The competitive advantage of having our manufacturing facilities connected to our engineering teams is that the pace of advancement of manufacturing technology is a lot faster. We have a long relationship working with the Department of Energy and the National Energy Technology Laboratories. One of our premier combustion technologies that allow us to meet lower and lower emissions is a direct result of working with the DOE on those programs. It's an arms race. Every tenth of efficiency is extremely important. In a high fuel market, U.S. manufacturing benefits tremendously from having the largest, most efficient gas turbines. The technologies that we put into these machines help us win. And when we win, it drives volume. Volume drives investment. Investment drives jobs. And that is the hallmark of what we do.